Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding the length of an exponential curve is actually super fast if you know the formula. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. First, we need the derivative of our function. Since y equals e to the 5x, we use the chain rule to get 5 times e to the 5x power. Next, we have to square that derivative for our formula. Squaring 5 gives 25, and squaring e to the 5x gives us e to the 10x. Keep going. Finally, plug everything into the arc length integral from 0 to 3. This leads directly to the expression in option A. Great job! Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors. Trust the given formula and check your steps.